Hey, fellow garage golfers, Roland and Gilbert here. We're here today with Michael Vrska from Callaway, and we're going to talk a little bit about some of the new products we have here at the PGA Show 2023. How you doing today, Michael?
I'm great.
Nice
Thanks
to meet you.
me.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, how you doing?
So tell us a little bit about what's new with Callaway here today.
Yeah, I mean, it's really about Paradigm. We've had tremendous success in the PGA Tour with 3 wins, and it really all starts with the driver. And,
all right.
You know, there's lots of technologies. The one that I think it's kind of starts it off and builds out of everything else is this 360 carbon chassis. So this entire section is all carbon fiber. There's nothing connecting it. There's no aluminum. There's no titanium inside. This is all carbon fiber. 2 different kinds. We have the triaxial carbon fiber, which is super light yet strong. And then what we're really excited about, this is brand new. This is called forged carbon. So it's little different pieces, if you will, that literally is forged together. You can see that we can do some hard shapes.
Yeah.
It's really strong. The only time it's really ever been used before is like race cars and exotic cars.
Right.
And now it's in golf.
Okay.
So it allows us to really push weight into the front and back where it helps the golfer. So it's carbon where it's the most beneficial. And then we get into some of our other great technologies. We have our jailbreak technology, which is a way to tie the face to the crown. Really forces all the energy transfer to the face. Then we have our AI design. So that allows, no matter where you hit it on the face, within reason, you know, a really big place where you get very consistent ball speeds, very consistent spin rates. So when you do miss hit a little,
right, which we all do,
right, high, low, it has a very predictable ball flight, something that you're used to seeing. We do have a bunch of weight back, which really drives the MOI. On our Paradigm, the standard Paradigm, we have this adjustable weight, 15 grams. You can push it to the heel, push it to the toe, which is about 15 yards of curvature. So if you're the player who maybe struggles with the draw, we can help that. Player struggles with the slice, we can help that. So really
and
great
both.
way to go. And both, and yeah. And then we have the other models, the Paradigm X, which is geared to the player who really struggles with slice, a little more draw bias.
Okay.
And then our Triple Diamond, which is our #1 driver on tour.
More for the tour players, right? In that situation.
Yeah, it's much
lower handicap.
spinning,
yeah.
but still very forgiving.
Okay, gotcha. What about the irons we got here?
Yeah, super excited about these as well. 2 models, the Paradigm and the Paradigm X. Paradigm, in a good way, is the middle road. This is what most players are going to want. 455 cup face, so really strong steel. Again with AI, so each face is designed individually. We ask, a 4-iron, the main goal is to get it airborne, right? Get it forward, be very forgiving. You get down to a pitching wedge, it's much more about precision, much more about, I want it to go exactly 131 yards or 121 yards.
Right.
Here is. So we want to get that very consistent, really kind of that point and shoot. So even within the set, the AI does different things. Again, the 4-iron is much more forgiving, the wedge is much more dialed in, and then in between. It's also what we call speed frame. You can't see it, but there's actually holes behind here.
Right.
So we want to use the mass where it's most optimal. We've got dual tungsten weighting. We have something called urethane microsphere. So this thing feels like a forged club. It feels like something you want to hit. It sounds like something you want to hit, even with all that technology.
Right. It's packed with technology, but it's still very forgiving and very cool. And is there different models in the iron series as well?
Yeah, so we have Paradigm and Paradigm X. Again, Paradigm is for most players. Paradigm X is for the player. Again, really gets a little more draw bias, launches a little bit higher, spins a little bit more, a little bit more forgiving. So we don't want to fit off handicap because we want to get the right club head delivery, but typically you'd think the higher handicap player, but not always.
And I see that one has a graphite shaft. I'm assuming there's numerous shaft options that you can select.
So in the irons, the True Temper Elevate MPH is a great shaft, is standard in both. And then we have a couple different graphite shafts, the Project X Hazardous as well as an Algola Ascent.
And these are both out already at this point,
These are for pre-order now. Later in February, they'll be in stores and golf shops. But these are all out. We've won all three PGA Tour events with them this year.
Yes.
3 for 3. Can't win them all until you win the first 3.
That's right. Very cool. I appreciate you taking time with us, Michael. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, guys.
If you guys have any questions, reach out anytime. Roland at mygaragegolf.com. Of course, as always, till we see you on the next one, keep on golfing. Thanks again.